Welcome. In front of me is an iPhone 15 Plus, and today I'll show you how you can apply a tempered glass to your device. Or, well, in the case of what I'm going to be applying, it's not really tempered glass as it says on the case, it's more like a plastic glass. But I guess China didn't really figure out what tempered glass actually is, considering this ain't it. That's not glass. Now it's bugging me that it says glass everywhere, but in any case. So apart from the glass that you get in my case here, as you can throw out, you also get the wet and dry wipes. So you could use those, or you can use a microfiber cloth and use that instead. It will be probably simpler to do so. At least that's my opinion. I prefer to use microfiber cloth just because it's bigger and easier to use. But if you don't have one, or you just prefer to use the included wipes, then go right ahead. Now, before I go into applying this, I'm gonna actually show you right now how I will be applying it before I start actually doing it. So once I peel off this little protective layer right here, I'll be holding the little protection or protective layer right here like this, and then applying it from the top to the bottom, and I'll be pinching it and then also feeling the bezels of the device, which will allow me to shift it a little bit to left to right depending on where I think it's closer to. So obviously I want to have it smack in the middle, so if it's kind of like closer towards this edge, right, I'll want to shift it here. And when it comes onto the top, just make sure that it is right up the bezel. At least this specific one has a top portion right here. You can also see the cutout. So there's a tiny bit of a cutout right here for your little microphone speaker when you're talking on a call. So you want to get that right up here to the very bezel. Just make sure you don't actually cover up the speaker that is there. And then just with that logic, you wanna, once it's aligned, drop it down to the bottom, let it go, and it should settle in place perfectly. So anyway, with that being said, let's clean off the display. You want to get rid of all the dirt that is on it. So just clean it up nicely. Now once it's cleaned off, just make sure that there is no dust on it. You don't want to have any kind of dust that will be under the tempered glass. And from there we're gonna jump straight to applying it. So I'm gonna align it with the top. That's pretty okay. Now that will be kind of garbage. So it leaves a little bit of a air bubble right here. So I will be lifting it up just a little bit so I can get rid of this, because it won't actually disappear fully if I try to press it. This is not tempered glass, this is plastic, so it will just kind of shift around and get compressed and all that stuff. So I prefer to lift it up gently so nothing gets under there. There we go. Oops. Lock it so I can see it, and it still managed to get a freaking air bubble there. Plastic protections, amazing. Still something left here. There we go. And that was perfect. So there we go. That is how you would apply a screen protector tempered glass to your device. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.